Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to hide likes on Instagram account. Why would you want to know how to hide likes on Instagram account? Well, maybe it is your first time using Instagram and not sure how to hide likes on Instagram account. So today I am going to show you how to hide likes on Instagram account. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Hiding likes on Instagram account is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will hide likes on Instagram account. First of all, open Instagram app in your device, and now here is my Instagram home screen. And then first of all, click on your profile icon in the right bottom corner, and in this new screen click on menu icon in the right top corner. And now click on settings and privacy, and then in this page click on hide likes, and now click on toggle button next to hide likes to turn it on, and your likes count on Instagram account has been hidden. So there you go. If you were wondering how to hide likes on Instagram, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.